To get your phone vibrate as you navigate it when talkback is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap talkback. Tap setting. Under audio section, tap sound and vibration. And then tap the gray on off switch next to vibration feedback to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on, when talkback in your phone is active, you will be provided with a vibration feedback as you navigate your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.